Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, it's Cam here today. Yes, it's Cam, and we are going to be doing a hair tutorial or whatever you call this, but this is my routine of how I curl my hair. Usually, you know what, when I used to curl my hair, I used to use rollers and they only used to last like 1 to 2 hours and that's it. So what's the point in curling your hair for half hour using rollers when it only lasts 1 to 2 hours? So first I'm gonna section my hair. Section number 1, section number 2. So I'm gonna grab a little piece at the front. I usually always start at the front. I ramble too much, don't I? So what I do, this is my left side. I don't know if I record this, will it show the flip side? I don't know. But what I do, I just grab a small section like this. I wrap my hair around like so, and do you know what, I used to leave it there for 5 seconds, but I've realised if I leave it for about 20 to 30 seconds, it is better and it does hold the curl quite well. So I think it's been about what, 10-15 seconds now. So I'm just gonna let it go in my hand and then I'm just gonna wrap it round properly. I don't know if I'm explaining this properly. Hopefully you get this. And then I put a pin curl in. Oh, that was hot actually. So I just pin it in like so. I don't know, do you know what, I can't even tell in the camera if it's shut. Do you know what, I don't think I did that properly. Okay, let's do another attempt. This is not going very well, I promise you. I've been doing this for so long, but I think it's the heat that's getting to me today. So let's try again. Okay, so I just pin it in twice because I want it to hold in quite well. So one side, another side. I know I'm going to be looking quite funny, but I promise you the end result will look quite good. So, okay, I've done this side, so I'm going to do this side now, so the opposite side. Sometimes I brush, I mean it depends, because I've already brushed my hair out, so you need to make sure the part that you get looks perfect as well. So I mean, not looks perfect, but I mean it's already combed out and nice. So with this side, I usually hold the curling iron like this and then wrap it around. I'm working away from my face, so if you get what I mean. But yeah, so do 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 do. Don't know how many seconds has it been. I think it's been about 10-20 seconds. I don't know, but yeah, I think that's enough. And then you just be careful, because I have actually hit the end of the curling wand on my hand quite a few times. So do you know what, I should have got a bigger mirror. This does not help. So yeah, you just wrap it around and get one of those pins, pin your hair like so, this side and this side. Sorry if I'm not doing it that perfectly, but I honestly cannot see that much through that mirror. It's not very helpful. But okay, so now we're on to the next bit. So what I usually do, I section my hair. So I have like a top half and a bottom half. So I just use honestly Cam, I use one of these, just clip my hair up, and then So I put these in 2 sections. One section here. Do you know what? It's because I use quite thick sections. I know I don't have that much thick hair, but the thicker the section, the better it's gonna look, honestly. Otherwise, when I used to curl my hair, I used to use so many sections and it did not look good. Whereas this, it's gonna give you that sort of like big wavy sort of natural look. But you'll see. So remember to curl away from your face. I found that when you curl away from your face, it looks so much better, honestly. But yeah. Right, so I just leave my hair like this. I'm going to be doing my makeup and you will see me shortly.
20 minutes later.
I'm back. So yes, I've done all my makeup. Hopefully I look flawless. But as you can see, it's already unraveling apart. I think one pin actually fell off or something while I was doing my makeup. Anyway, so let me show you what the curls actually look like. So let's hopefully this will turn out great. If not, this video was done for no particular reason. So, oh, see, look, already looking good, looking good. Right, so this is how my curls turned out. So I'm just gonna comb it through just lightly. You don't want to comb it too much, but I mean, unless you're going for that look. But yeah, I'm gonna comb it, and then what I like to do is just, forgot one of the pins. But what I like to do, I like to flip my hair. Oh, there's another pin left. Flip my hair over and then comb like that, because I find that when I do this, my hair looks much thicker. As you can tell, like from before to now, it looks so much more thicker. And oh my god, there's another pin. I thought I took everything out, but this is the finished look. And obviously you can play around with your hair and just comb it through however you like, but this is how I like to leave it because I mean it looks nice and thick, and oh, do you know what, it actually turned out quite well. I didn't think that my hair would turn out this well, but okay, I see you. Yes, this is quite good, but so this is the finished look. Hopefully you've learned something new today. Hopefully this has helped you. I know that the middle parting I didn't do quite well. Obviously I can't tell in the camera or that mirror because it is quite small, but hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Yes, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm sure I don't need to be telling you again and again, but make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you leave a comment down below, I will reply to you. Let me know what you want to see in my next video. I will be doing another hair tutorial. I'll probably be doing like a braid hair tutorial because I like doing like Dutch braids in my hair, because do you know what, that's another way of curling your hair, but that's another video. I'll explain that in the other video. But hopefully this look you liked, but thanks for watching guys. Bye.